Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch my video. I do appreciate you all coming back to watch another video. And also, if you're new to my channel, hi there, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking to watch my video, and I hope you will stick around. And also don't forget to give my video a like by liking, as well as subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Turn on the bell notification to be notified of when I upload new videos like unboxing, makeup videos, and anything else that interests me and you guys. Thank you so much. So let's get into today's unboxing. I already did a video on the March unboxing of the Eyescream beauty box. This is my April Eyescream beauty box. I believe I received it today. Today is April 13th. So I received this on April 13th today, and I'm recording this today. So hopefully I will be able to upload it tomorrow or maybe later today, depending on how much time I have to edit. Now, this is my April box, and I already just ripped it open here. I don't know what I'm getting, but I know I'm getting a palette. I mean, we've been told we'll be getting a palette in every box, so I'm excited for that. Or alone, just that alone, I'm excited for. Alright, so this is what the sneak peek is gonna look like, as usual. That's what it's looking like. The April box has "You Are Blooming." Okay, so that's kind of what, you know, the card is looking like. It says "You Are Blooming," and I could see what a few things here. Let's get into this box. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I'm excited already. Now, we are starting with the Banana Setting Powder by, what brand is this? Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is a banana fix setting powder. I've been wanting another banana setting powder, and this is perfect. Comes very well packaged as well. It's sealed, so I'm not gonna open that. I'm not gonna open it, but I could already tell it's gonna be good for like setting the under eye and kind of for brightening as well. Now, next item in here. Oh, I didn't tell you guys the price for this. So this price is the Bella Pierre banana setting powder is $30 retail price, and I believe if you sign up for the Eyescream Beauty, it's $25 included, shipping included. $30 already for this one, and I paid $25 for each box. This is the next item, and this is a winged liner and stamp kit. It's in the shade black. I'm sure it's black, right? And it's by Mirabella Iconic. That's that packaging there. It's cute. Just wing it. It's a stamp kit. I have something similar like to this, but I don't use it often. I don't really like winged pen. I mean liner pen. I like the actual liquid one where you draw, use it to draw on. I don't know, it just works for me, but I still use the pen ones too, but one side is a liner, the other side is a stamp to help with guiding you to draw your wing liner. That's cool, and the price for this is $20. Awesome. That's a total of $50 so far. Okay, next item is this Be a Bombshell Big Teal Eye Base. Oh, good. I need another eye base. This is awesome. And this is by Be a Bombshell Cosmetics. That's what that looks like there. And I'm gonna squeeze it out. Oh, okay. It's a teal shade eye base. Oh, cool. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Whoa. This is beautiful. This is lovely. I love this. Very nice. Eye base. I didn't know eye base can come in different colors. I guess you could use it also as a shadow and a base. Alright, moving on. Oh, the price for this is, let's Be a Bombshell Eye Base is $14. So we are $64 so far. Then the next item is this Girl Lactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. That's the packaging. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. My goodness, look at this. I love it. It's so pretty. It has like rose petals in it, I think. Yeah. Oh, this is lovely. I can't wait to try this and to use this. I am so happy about that. And the price for this is $20. Okay, so we're at what, 64 plus 20 is $84 total so far. This is beautiful. I love that. It's going straight to my purse. And the last item I believe in here is, ooh, yay, a palette, as usual. Always excited for a palette. I am such a palette addict, eyeshadow palette addict. This is the quintessential. Wow. So this is a quintessential palette. I'm not about to ruin my reputation because I can't pronounce something. Quintessential. Let me just stop. I've been having a hard time pronouncing that word, but I figured it out eventually. And this price for this is $40. So the quintessential palette is true to its name and represents the most perfect example of quality. It consists of 16 colors that can be used to create a broad range of looks. From neutral to bold, each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. Cool. Here we go. That's the quintessential shadow palette, and that's what that looks like. Oh, that is beautiful. Love it. Yay. Oh, I can already see me using this here. This blue is beautiful. This right here and this shade. I mean, I can see myself using a lot of this shade, especially this whole area right here. Everything like right here. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. Okay, let me stop. All right, that's $40. So that's a total of about that's $84 and then $40. So we have it. The total of the box is $124, but I pay $25 each month for this. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am super excited to try every single product in here because I actually like everything in here. Every single thing. I do love them, especially this palette, the banana powder, and the lip oil. Those are my 3 favorites. I'm so glad that I got another palette. Yay. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do give my video a thumbs up because it helps my channel. Comment down below as well because it helps, and I do appreciate you guys all watching this video to this point. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.